Adjectives. Adjectives are the words used for describing quality of noun or pronoun. Either it is good quality or bad quality. For example, cold water. Coldness is the quality of water and water is noun. Clean home. Cleanliness is the quality of home and home is the noun. Hot tea. Hotness is the quality of tea. Hot is the adjective word and tea is noun. एडजेक्टिव्स ऐसे लफ्ज़ होते हैं जो इसम या इसम की जगह पे इस्तेमाल होने वाले जो दूसरे नाम हैं उनकी खसूसियत बयान करते हैं। वो खसूसियत अच्छी भी हो सकती है, वो उनकी खासियत बुरी भी हो सकती है। इसको समझने के लिए लेट्स सी फ्यू मोर एग्जांपल्स। एंग्री यंग मैन, गॉर्जियस लेडी, फास्ट ड्राइवर, adorable baby, beautiful house. Angry is the quality of a young man, that is person. Gorgeous is the quality of a lady, that is person. Fast driver, fastness is the quality of a driver. Adorable baby, adorable is quality and baby is noun. Delicious food, sweet smile, rough touch, wiser sister, elder brother, strong girl. Delicious is the quality of food. Sweet is the quality of smile, because smile may be sweet or sad. Rough touch, rough is the quality, यानी जो उसका किसी भी सरफेस का जो छूने वाला हिस्सा है वो रफ है, उसकी ये क्वालिटी है। एक्साइटेड डॉग, bright colors, shy child, better shirts, sad boy. Excited is quality of dog. Brightness is the quality of color, etc. Naughty student, clever teacher, pleasant weather, silky hair, plain land. Naughty is quality of student and cleverness is quality of teacher. Weather may be pleasant or not. Pleasant is the quality of weather. Silky hair, silky is the quality of hair, etc. Precious clothes, bitter taste, salty water, stupid mistake, rude customer. Precious clothes may be precious or not precious or not costly. Bitter taste. Bitter is the taste of quality of any noun or pronoun. Smooth floor, decorated house, confident girl, coward lady, sincere fellow, etc. These all examples are showing that the quality of different nouns or pronouns. We have described that adjectives are the words. They are used to show the quality of any noun or pronoun. That's why we called it adjective. Adjective या सिफ़ात वो लफ्ज़ हैं जो किसी भी चीज़ की क्वालिटी को ज़ाहिर करते हैं। जैसे देखें ये फ्लोर स्मूथ है, यानी फ़र्श जो है वो बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट है, बिल्कुल प्लेन है। और हाउस डेकोरेटेड है, गर्ल जो है वो पूरी तमाद है, कॉन्फिडेंट है, कवर्ड लेडी, एट्सेट्रा।